Good morning everyone, my name is Johnson Lai. I'm the Overseas Sales Director of machine-HanGlobal. Now I've done a lot of reviews and overviews on our Lapstar 330 machines, and we have a lot of viewers asking us a lot of questions. But in one particular question a lot of customers will ask is how we're going to do the printing on monofilms, wrap around and shrink films. Now with that there will be some technical data and some technical aspect of the machine which we may need to change according to your product. First of all, with monofilm printing, there's a lot of applications which you might need. First is the overprinting. Now at the moment, the machine is set up behind me. It's doing the monofilm on overprint. But then there is also reverse printing, which we need to look out for. And I'll explain to you a little bit step by step how we're going to do reverse printing on the machine, which that may need to be modified a little bit on the machine itself. Now the machine, the print tower have been set up on overprint. So the white is at the front of the station, and at the moment we have a setup of double white at the moment. And then at the back there's CMYK. But the reverse print, the white have to be set up at the back of the station. So one thing you got to look out for is the white have to be set up at the back of the station. Now this is a custom-made machine, and when you place the order you have to think about how you're going to do it, because eventually, probably, you will not be able to change back and forth with the white. So this is the basic setup. But the other structure, what we can do is you can also have a setup like this with white plus CMYK as it is for overprint. And at the back of the station, what we can do is at the back of the machine, we can add an extra Flexible unit at the back. So you can also do reverse print without customizing the print tower. So this will give you an option of how you want to do it. Now the machine is set up with one overprint job, which I'm going to show you right now. So wait for a little bit for the machine to warm up. So we have changed the scene to our very nice demo room already. Now we're going to do some ink performance tests. So I have been taking some sheets out directly from the press, and I've prepared some samples for us to do some ink performance tests. Now as you can see over here, this is all the products which our customer is printing with our Lapstar 330 machines. So now we have prepared some hot water, boiling water, to around about 80 degrees. And this is the sample right off the machine. So we're going to wrap it around in here. So this is another label, this is a wrap-around label, so it's not supposed to be shrinking. So let's dip it into the water and see the performance of the ink. Let me soak it in. Making a mess. Voila. And let's do some wrapping around. So the ink seems to be pretty good. So this wraps up our application performance presentation. If you have any inquiries or any special applications you want me to do, please email on this address. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.